India's stock market started the week on a positive note today, with the key equity indices in Sensex and Nifty hitting fresh lifetime highs. The 30-share barometer Sensex rose as much as 204.36 points in the morning to hit an all-time high of 34,358.21, while the wider share indicator Nifty added 60.05 points to mark the record high of 10,608. Going ahead in the week, the domestic markets are likely to be steered by the upcoming quarterly results season, along with the release of macroeconomic data. Markets today came in the backdrop of another record closing on the Wall Street last week. So again, this is good news when it comes to India. The markets have done well. There was fear that the markets are going to do very badly when the reports came out that the economy is not doing well. But the fact of the matter is that the market has responded differently to the way the projections of economy went. Is going to be a big relief for the government of India, because ultimately, if the markets would have fallen, it would have further dampened the mood. And then you have budget on the 1st of February, where a lot of things depend, and this budget is going to be a very important budget for the Narendra Modi's government, because the last budget will be next year, and that's when the government goes lame duck. So this is truly the budget which every Indian is looking forward to. I'm joined by my colleague Sumit Chaturvedi from Newsroom, and he will be telling me as to why markets have behaved the way they have, and otherwise, in a way, unexpected of it, where a lot of people said that the markets would tank on Monday. Now, Sumit, coming to you, what is the reason for the markets to behave like this?
Well, two reasons. First of all, the US markets have closed on Friday at record highs, because of which Asian shares, all of them are on an upswing. Taking a cue from there, Indian markets have also gone on a high. So that's one reason. Also, markets are predicting a very good corporate result season, which will start this week, beginning with Infosys and TCS result. So keeping in mind these two big, we can say the factors, the markets are on a high. Sensex is up more than 200 points since morning, and Nifty has touched around 10,600 mark once again. So markets are at a high once again. Two main reasons. First, taking a cue from US markets that ended quite high last week, and upcoming result season, which is showing that the corporate result season is going to be better than expected.
That is one thing, but you know, there were a lot of speculations, Sumit, that when the reports came out that the economy is not going to do well the next year, people had a lot of fear that the market is going to react to it. So the market, there's a dissociation between the projection of economy and the way Sensex has behaved.
Absolutely, Karthikeya. And here also markets seem to have shrugged off this overall pessimism, I would say. On the other hand, the optimism building around the budget, as we saw the reports saying that more SOPs could be there for rural economy, more SOPs could be there for middle class Indians. Those SOPs and those economy SOPs actually are another factor that are boosting markets. So based on that pessimism that came from the economy side, markets are hopeful that Indian government will come up with huge SOPs in this budget, and that's another factor that is fueling markets in India.
Thank you. Thank you, Sumit, for this update. Now,